What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I just want to show you some of the different things that changed with iOS developer with iOS 18 developer beta. So as you all know, today was WWDC. You know, it's everywhere. People posting it on Twitter, this and that. You know, so this is iOS 18, and the reason why a lot of people are going crazy about it is because it brings over some very nice useful features that should have already been on iPhone, but now we're getting them. So first I'm going to start off with the lock screen. So if you press and hold the lock screen for customization, now you have a choice to customize change the icons at the bottom of your home display. You have a choice of changing that, so all you need to do is click on it and hit the plus button. And as you can see, it brings up different things you can add. So now you can add the calculator, alarm, dark mode, shortcuts, suggest, recognize music, timer, open apps, stopwatch, scan code, flashlight, camera. So pretty much this gives you a choice of different ones that you can have. Currently, I just have it set to the camera and my flashlight because that's easy access, and that was already there. But for people that are wanting to change those, you will get access to that whenever this is finally coming out for everyone. You know, they tell some people to be careful about downloading this because it is kind of buggy, but for right now I have not seen any kind of problems just yet. For right now it works, it's working fine for me. So that was the changes on the lock screen. So now if you come to the home screen, you can see that my home screen display looks a little different. That is because now you are able to come here and place your icons anywhere you would like to. You were not able to do that at first, but now on iOS 17, with iOS 18, you will be able to place your icons anywhere you would like it, and that is what I am currently demonstrating to you right there. You know, so you can come up with a nice unique home screen setup if you want to, because now you have access to placing your icons wherever you will want them to go. And that is a very nice touch. Right now we're just going to remove them and get rid of them right now. You know, that's something that we've been wanting on iPhones for the longest, but now it's finally here. So now if you place and hold down on the home screen, you come up here and touch the edit button. Now you get another one that says customize. So now you can come in here and customize it, because now you get access to customize your icons. So yeah, no more having just all those weird icons. So but anyways, right now if you do the dark mode, it'll only do your native icons that are your settings, like your main icons that come on iOS. Third-party icons will be able to be that color just a little later, you know, but you can get light icons, and then you can come here and just change the color of your icons to match your wallpaper. Like I said, pretty much something that you can already do on iPhone, on Android. Now you have it on iOS 18. You also get large icons. So with this checked, it takes away the icon's name, and it just gives you access to just showing you the icon, and it makes the icons a tad bit bigger. It looks nice, but not really, because they are super duper big. So if that's something you want to cut on, you can go cut that on. But overall, this is a nice feature, and this is only going to get better. You know, they're still going to add stuff to it. Some of the stuff that they talked about that is coming to it is not yet on it yet, but this is just some of the things that I know that is on it as of right now. And then now you get a whole new revamped notification panel, and I really love that. It really does look nice. So pretty much now you get a plus button at the top here. You have access to resizing these icons, resizing the widgets the way you want them there. And as you can see, I made my music widget long and I put it down there, but you do have access to resize those if you want to, and you can add even more to that. And then you slide up and it'll show you your music player. To make it smaller, it'll show you your music player. Then you slide down, and then you also get access to adding more toggles, and that is crazy. But overall, this is looking nice and clean. You know, like I said, it's going to get better. I already know it is. And then now you have a hidden folder, so you can add apps in there if you want to. Also, if you tap and hold down on the app, you get access to required Face ID. So now you can lock apps using Face ID if that's something that you want to do. Make your app secure so other people cannot get into that app. You will be the only person that'll be able to get into that app with your face. Some other things that I noticed. So now when you go into your settings and hit general, this is new. This is how it looks now. You get the general toggle. That may stay, that might go away, who knows. But overall, man, I am liking some of the new features that are on that came with the iOS 18 developer update. I will make more videos about this, you know, as time goes on, as the update gets even better and better. And then this is your gallery. So your gallery is a lot different now. So now it puts all your photos up at the top. Then you get your recent days down here. Then you get your peoples and pets. You also get your plant, your pen collections, memories. So now it just has a little bit of a different kind of look to it, and so on and so on. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it is giving me wallpaper suggestions, different kind of wallpapers I can use and put on my current lock screen. So say I wanted to use this one, all I have to do is just set it. Let me change the color behind it just a tad bit. It's right there. Then I can go here and I can set it. If I really wanted to, I can add my Google and add my weather back, and this will look like this if you wanted to look like that. But so far so good. You know, like I said, this is only going to get better as time goes on. So if you're out there and if you are scared, if you don't know, if you're scared and don't feel like you want to upgrade to this, then I recommend you probably don't. But you know, if you're a tech person and you don't mind, you know, I could recommend you to go on and update, as long as you made a backup, as long as you backed up your device before you downloaded this, you should be okay. So that way you can go back to iOS 17 if you want to. But as long as this is running good for me, there will be no need for me to go back. I'm staying with the developer beta mode for right now. In the comment section below, you know, let me know your thoughts and some of the things you wish they would have brought over that they didn't. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.